how you doing? Today we're building a roll pan for the Stepside. Hi. I keep getting carried away thinking I'm almost done, and there's a couple more things I need to do on here. I have the latches to put in here. They finally showed up, and that's the next thing I'm gonna do after we do this. But I need to build a pan to go here, kind of a roll pan, just to kind of clean that up. License plate's gonna go in the middle, and I just need to take measurements, and I'm gonna lay it out on my welding table and get an idea where this is gonna fall. I have just kind of a rough sketch of where it's gonna go. This is going in between the stake pocket rails, and then the tailgate is right in here. So just below the tailgate, basically right here. So I just need to fill in the blanks here of the width and the height and blah, blah, blah. So, and some of it's gonna be a guess, and I won't know until I get it up on the table. So for this project, the amount of sheet metal I need to bend and build this panel, I was gonna go buy a sheet, and a sheet is about, what was it, like $180 for a sheet. Half sheet was, of course, about half of that. And I had this chunk of sheet metal already laying around here, and I thought, why spend the money on something I already have? And I'm not opposed to, especially with the cost of metal and cost of everything anymore, you might as well make the best of what you have, save where you can. That's more money for the project. I've mentioned before, I like to save my cab corner pieces and whatever scraps that I have, because you're always gonna bend something. Most of the time it's something fairly small. You can get a lot of metal out of those. And this piece here is a good heavy duty piece, probably really heavier than I need, but that's even better for where I'm putting it. So this piece already had a bend on it, so I'm just gonna utilize that. It was plenty big enough to cut out what I need. So I'm going to use this and try not to make any mistakes. I'll cut all this out and then make the bends, and then we'll test fit it. And I know I'll have to trim it down once I get it setting in here, which is good. I'd rather cut it down and have it tight than be too big and try to fill a gap. So anyhow, that's my plan, and we'll get after it. got the roll pan done. I'm gonna throw a license plate up here just for looks for now. And overall, I'm pretty happy with how things turned out. Didn't spend a whole lot of money putting this together, but it did take a few hours. Spent most of yesterday putting it together, getting it on here. I did have a little trouble with the bender. This metal that I was using was a little heavier than what I would normally use for sheet metal. And then it was some scraps and it may have been heat treated. I struggled a little bit getting it bent because of that. But I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. So next time we'll be working on the tailgate, trying to finish that up, putting the latches in it, removing the old striker assembly latches that were there. Anyhow, I appreciate you following along. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week. Oh, please like and subscribe. Thanks.